Perth doctors have found a revolutionary new way to treat chronic tendon injuries like tennis elbow. More than half of Australians aged over 50 have tendon issues, and now there's a non-surgical solution promising to heal sufferers.
An innocuous tumble that almost cost Eagles star Mark LeCras his football career, leaving him with a nasty tendon injury in his knee that haunted him for 12 months.
We tried multiple different therapies to try and fix it, but we didn't really have any luck.
That was until his doctors stumbled across a Perth-based regenerative medicine company, Orthocell, offering a non-invasive and non-surgical solution to chronic tendon injuries.
It's completely healed me.
It's called Ortho-ATI and the process takes just 6 weeks. First, a small tendon biopsy is taken from a healthy area and transferred to a lab. There, the tendon stem cells are fed, growing from thousands of cells to millions before being injected into the injury site, allowing new, healthy tendons to rebuild.
It's a minimally invasive approach to healing chronic tendon injuries that are resistant to treatment.
Cells can be kept in the lab for up to 20 years for future injuries. This is where the remaining cells are kept, in a cryo tank. There are about 2,000 patients in here right now. That's equivalent to 1 billion cells. The treatment is currently only available to clinical trial patients, but pending Therapeutic Goods Association approval could help sufferers across the globe. Mark LeCras went on to play another 8 seasons of footy and a career-defining premiership win.
You know, I may not have got there if it wasn't for these guys.
Olivia Donaldson, 9 News.